You know you're going to New York for a while.
See.
And you ready to make the move here? My youth, how you for make man run up on your dog? My youth, hold on, how you for make man run up on your brother?
No.
So the youth they don't know him don't know the family name. Yeah, which part of the brother they come from?
Dog, I'm a breed brother. Listen me. I say listen me. Dog, if you didn't see this movie,
So what you gonna do now? You ready to make a move? Cause you're in a this now in a dog. And the boy can't feel like them can come this with family in a dog. Yo, hold on on this. You know for this? Yo, put in this. You look like you're nervous, so.
Yo, that's why I said I'm a big brother, isn't it?
Dog, we don't care about that. We don't care about that. Him know what him do?
I think you know him there, isn't it?
So hold on there. My, why you sound like afraid? You're afraid, so like you don't want to make a walk or what go on? Walk.
I just want to talk to him and I make him know. So
talk to our brother. Yo, call Brown man and them and tell them pull the car around. Yo, dog. You know me there, me remember? You remember when we little bit? The day we run a back up play marble and the boy Travis there and him take away your marble and run go for him yard and him father come out come drape away.
Yeah, I remember that.
Dog, you know the first time that me ever see somebody dead.
Why? See him dog.
My youth. Me never know say some my father grind me in a dog. Blood everywhere in a dog. When him hold him and bust him throat in a brother. Might from them time them know say me cut out for this and that me the one do to you know. And that you are gonna do to you in a dog. So you have to go just man up like right now. The youth with this year, what you think we're gonna do?
No, I'm have to learn dog, boy.
Dog, it's a lesson we have to go show him. You have to go do it because you have to go stand up for yourself now.
See.
I'm not gonna always stay as a bigger brother, you know. And just watch how I go on, man. You get used to it, man. Yo, Chico, dog, how we not reach it, my youth?
We're there about 5 minutes away, man. We're so reach.
Hello? You outside? Alright, welcome. Come in. Who them?
Brother, I'm good. Come on.
Why them there?
Tell already some brother them. Do know things that just they have to see a brother. And not even 1 hour ago, your brother beat me up, you know. So you expect my brother them gonna feel me come in and the whole of mine was a bleed and
But
yes,
that are just something little. You're gonna do what? You're not gonna kill him?
I'm telling you, you see, for my family them,
I'm a brother, you know.
My whole family is a
family
way.
I don't want you to even do all of that. I know you don't have to come and do all of that. Like him soon come home, like I don't want you to do all of that. Like just talk to them.
Your brother wanna feel away. Just right now him never have to take his safari now. I know I did, me even want to kill him and them go kill him now.
You don't have to do that.
Yo! That's where our brother there.
So, she has her brother soon forward. That's me.
Dog, just done the talking to my youth.
I'm for do. I can't do nothing about it. They're already there.
You serious? Like you really are gonna make that one little.
Yo, Layla, get the fuck out the car. Come on, get out. Hey, come here. Nah, fuck this shit. I've been looking all over for you. Didn't I fucking tell you stop fucking with these Jamaican niggas?
James, let's smooth him alright.
Yo, Layla, what the fuck I going to
Babes, I'm a brother.
Where the fuck is this? Who's this? Go home, Layla.
What the fuck?
Go home. Fucking tired of this shit.
Yeah, brother, fuck you. I go.
That's what your pussy ass get. Stop fucking with my sister.
You can say sorry if you want him to say sorry, like sorry, like I just really don't want. Like just him can say sorry, like Michael.
Yo.
Make it please just stop it.
Me say yo.
Michael.
Oi. Come here.
I really don't want him.
Me say come here. Either you go get it or your brother. Look like him reach. Come on, them say.
Your time, you know, brother. Remember when I talk to you about, you know, do what you need for and do your business.
Yo, what the fuck?
Michael, please. Michael.
So this how we gonna handle this?
Please. Please, Michael, pick you up. Gee.
Yo, young blood, didn't I tell you I want to see you around here no more?
No, we're not. I said things, you know. I don't really come here for no violence thing. So I go and now. Rate your sister. Me and you good. You see me? Come on and there, I just come to make sure you know, say, yo, I have a flavor. You see me? I got a new year. I'm going to make she good. See me, she have you. And I just want to know, say, one of them good blood. See me? You see me? So I don't want nothing. I just come to make sure you know, say, me I left and that. You see me? So I just want to make you know, say, yo, that. Or just look over that, you see me?
I respect that.
Straight. Yeah, man. So I want to talk to her a bit still, isn't it?
Yo, let me tell you something. I love you. I'll do anything for you, alright?
Go and talk to her.
Fucking Yankee. Watch yourself.
Stop crying, babe.
So you really have to leave?
I'm going to spend some time, man, isn't it? No, I'm going. See you.
We're not to go.
No, brother.
Alright.
Like you already know.
I'm soon forward.
You know.
Nice. Never want to live, you know.
Want you to do that, yeah?